I'm planning to move to New York City to do just that. Uh, and now I still have to raise all of the money to go. It's going to be about $100,000 a year for me to live and work in, in New York City. And, I'm asking right now to go to my website and become a monthly supporter. Become a monthly supporter. It don't matter how big or how little the amount, but the amount